cost you over 100,000 pesos to replace this shower enclosure. But with Restore 4, it can look brand new again in a fraction of the time. And it's not going to cost you 100,000, not 50,000, not 25,000, not even 15,000, not 10,000, not 5,000, and hey, not even 4,000 pesos. Because if you call right now, you'll receive the concentrated Restore 4, which makes up to 10 liters, plus Restore 4 professional cleaner and Restore 4 restoring pad for an amazingly low, specially discounted price that we've put together for all our viewers, direct from Restore 4's factory. Plus, call now, and as a special bonus, we'll supersize your bottles, giving you a full 33% more Restore 4 at no extra charge. And once you restore your grout, you can protect it with Restore 4 Grout Sealer. The patented applicator tip makes it easier to brush on in seconds for an invisible layer of protection that blocks out stains. It even helps block out mildew in your showers. Order now, and that Grout Sealer, a 750 peso value, is yours free. Best of all, now you can try Restore 4 in your home risk-free for a full 30 days with this amazing bottom of the bottle guarantee. Use the whole bottle if you want to, and if you're not 100% satisfied, simply return it for a full refund of the purchase price. No questions asked. So don't clean it and don't replace it. Restore it with Restore 4. Order now and receive the Restore 4 Concentrated Restorer, plus the Restore 4 Professional Cleaner, the Restore 4 Restoring Pad, and the Grout Sealer for an amazingly low, specially discounted price that we've put together for all our viewers, direct from Restore 4's factory. Try Restore 4 risk-free for 30 days with our bottom of the bottle guarantee. And there's still more. If you're one of the first 20 callers, we'll even send it by express delivery for free. That's right, free delivery anywhere in the country, but you must call now. But wait, hold everything. If you order right now, we'll double your order of Restore 4, plus all the free bonuses at no extra charge. But this offer is only available for a limited time, and it's not available in stores. So take advantage of this exclusive television offer right now. So don't wait, don't delay. Don't miss out. Order Restore 4 now by calling 838-9999.
I read this.
That's 838-9999. Our friendly operators are standing by right now to take your call. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now.
Call 838-9999. Call and order now.
Get yours now.